Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Benzinga Pro. First, navigate to the main dashboard after logging in. Familiarize yourself with the layout, including the top menu bar and customizable panels. You can drag and drop widgets to create your ideal workspace. This initial setup is crucial for efficient market monitoring and accessing real-time data quickly. Take a moment to explore each section. Next, dive into the real-time news features. The Squawk Box provides audio alerts for critical market-moving information, giving you an edge. The news feed delivers breaking headlines and detailed analysis, which you can filter by various criteria like sentiment or specific stock symbols. This ensures you only see the most relevant information for your trading strategy, saving you valuable time. Now, let's set up your custom watch lists and alerts. You can create several watch lists to organize stocks by sector or strategy. Set precise price alerts to notify you when a stock reaches your desired entry or exit point. Additionally, configure alerts to receive instant notifications for any news impacting the companies on your watch lists, keeping you informed without constant monitoring. Finally, explore Benzinga Pro's advanced tools and customization options. The calendar provides a comprehensive view of earnings, dividends, and economic events. Use the powerful screener to identify trading opportunities based on your specific criteria, such as market capitalization or percentage change. Remember to customize your workspace layout to maximize efficiency and keep your most important tools front and center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.